Hello everybody, our class today is a Pilates booty burn and we'll be working our thighs and our glutes. We'll begin in a tabletop position when you're ready. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. We'll warm up the left leg, taking some circles here. You'll lift your left knee up toward hip height and just circle in one direction, warming up your hip joint here, breathing nice and deep. And then switch, circle in the opposite direction, point your toe. And then take that same motion on the right side. We'll take those circles, lift your right knee up toward hip height. It's okay if it doesn't quite get there. And then just circle in one direction. And then switch directions. From here, we'll lower down onto our elbows, interlace your fingers, point your left toe and bend your left knee. Take a deep inhale breath and exhale, lift your left leg up toward the sky, pointing your toe. Inhale, left knee comes back down. Exhale, lift and point. 8 more here. 6. 'Using your breath. 3. 2. We'll hold this one at the top and take little pulses, pointing your left toe toward the sky. Just pulse for 10, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then flex through your left ankle and then straighten your left leg. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, curl the left heel in toward the left glute. Inhale, extend your left leg straight. And exhale, curl. 8 more. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten your left leg, point back through your toe. Lower your left foot down to the ground. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, lift the left leg up and lower down. Inhale, exhale, lift and lower. You have 8 more. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your left knee once more, flex through your left ankle and come up onto your left palm. We'll take some fire hydrants here. As you inhale, the knees are together. As you exhale, lift your left knee toward hip height. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Gizmo is really into this practice today. 8, 6, 3, 2, and 1. Pause again at the top and just pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll switch sides. Interlace your fingers once more. Bend your right knee and point your right toe. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, lift the right leg up toward the sky. Inhale, lower the right knee down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. You have 8. 5, 3, 2. Last one. We'll pulse here. Hold at the top. Inhale. And then exhale, just little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex through your right ankle. Inhale, straighten your right leg, and exhale, take those hamstring curls. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, curl. 8 more. 8. Got it. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the right leg, point your toe once more. Lower your right leg down. Take an inhale. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. 8 more. 6, 4, 2, and 1. Come onto your right palm. Bend your right knee. Flex through your right ankle for those fire hydrants. Take an inhale. Exhale, lift the right knee toward hip height. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 8. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold at the top and pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Release. And then we'll come down onto our right side. Bend your knees here. And then take your top leg and straighten that leg out. And then I want you to flex your toes down toward the ground so that your heel is pointed up toward the ceiling. Take an inhale and exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. 8 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then bring your left knee to the right. Keep flexing through your left ankle here. Take an inhale, and then exhale, kick your left leg back. Keep flexing. Inhale, bring your knees back together. Exhale, just kick slightly back. Inhale, knees together. Exhale, kick for 8. 5, 3, 2, last one. Then you're going to bring your left knee to the right and take those clams here. Open up, heel to heel, knee to knee. Just rotating your top leg. 8, 5, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. We'll switch sides, coming onto your left side. Support your head here, bend both knees, and then you'll straighten your right leg. Flex through your right foot, and again, your right toe is pointed down toward the ground. Your heel is pointed toward the sky. Take an inhale. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. You have 8 more. 8, 4, 2, and 1. Bring your knees together. That right heel is turned slightly up toward the sky. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Kick your right leg slightly back. Inhale, bring your knees back together, and exhale, kick slightly back, fully extending your leg for 8. 4 more. 2, and 1. Knee to knee, heel to heel for those clams. Just rotate that top leg for 8. Keep your core engaged. 4, 2, and 1. Come onto your back. We'll take some bridges here. Bring your feet hip width distance apart and ground through the feet. Plant your palms outside your hips. Inhale, exhale, lift your hips toward the sky. Inhale, lower back down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 8 more. 5. 2. And 1. Hold at the top and just pulse here. Little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then just swivel your hips from side to side, dropping one glute and then the other. 10, 9, 6, you got it. 4, 2, and 1. Release. Take a nice full body stretch. Reach your arms up. And then take a reclined pigeon. Your figure 4. Cross your right ankle over the left thigh. Press your right knee away from you. Maybe hug your left knee in towards your chest. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, subscribe, or become a member of this channel. This is part of the Feminine Reset series, so make sure you check out that playlist in the description below. And then switch sides. Cross your left ankle over the right thigh. Maybe hug your knee in toward your chest. And then release and roll onto one side and press your way to a seated position. Bring your hands to your heart here. Maybe close your eyes. The goddess in me honors the goddess in you. Thank you so much for joining me for class.